Right about now, family time can seem like a free-for-all. Working from home, taking care of the kids, it can be really overwhelming for mom and dad. So let's make things clear and show who the go-to parent of the moment is with this clever tabletop sign. It's a great project for the kids to work on right now, and it's going to help you out in the long run. So let's make it. You'll need arts and crafts supplies like cardstock, cutout letters, fabric embellishments, scissors, glue, 2 canvas boards, and a staple gun. You can have the kids do the artwork, like drawing, painting, or coloring the signs, one for each parent. But if you're doing the making, create your design using an iron-on transfer sheet. Or I jumped on my embroidery machine to do the work. Next, stretch the fabric to cover the canvas and staple in place. Do one for mom and one for dad. Now, time to get creative. This is where anything goes. Add embellishments that describe mom and dad. Sporty, blingy, flowery, glammy, and maybe even crabby. Whatever fits their personality best. I use paper flowers, gemstones, cardstock, gold stars, and crowns to make mine king and queen themed. After all, we are talking about mom and dad. After the decor is set, glue the 2 canvas boards together so the on-duty sign is double-sided. Then set it on an easel and put it where all the little eyes can see. So it's mom's turn or it's dad's turn. Now you just need to make the schedule. Or better yet, if there's a teenager in the house, put them in charge, and mom and dad can both take a break.